Hey, Alexus, love beauties and flawless man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. We're going to have a raw and uncut conversation. I'm going to try to make this quick. It's just an epiphany that I just had. It's 2025. It's 2025. It's really 2025. And hearing that number, even hearing 2020 when we were in school, some of us, it was just like, man, that's so far away. We'll never make it. And some of us are in 2025 and we still feel like we have not made it to where it is that we want to be. The one thing I'm learning about life is that if you rush it, you lose it faster. When you take your time, you're learning, you're growing, that's what makes you live longer. The Lord said people perish for the lack of knowledge. And you have to remember that the soul never dies. The body can leave faster too for having a lack of knowledge. It's no rush. I promise. Now, I just turned 30 in March. And I had this goal of by the time I'm 30, I'm about to be married, children, the white picket fence, the American dream. When that 30 came and I realized that that's just not how life goes, or that's just not how my life went, it kind of hit me for a little while, but I don't feel bad about it because on the outside looking in, the inside is good. I still have a good heart. I'm still doing great things for myself and for other people. So something that you don't have in 2025, it doesn't mean that it's not coming. It means that the Lord is giving you more time to learn and grow. We don't never have to worry about what we don't have because it's always going to be here anyway. If you're somebody like me, you're like, oh my God, I'm not married or I don't have children yet. Do not rush because you have the perfect opportunity to continue to learn. 2025, that's all we doing is learning, and we not letting nothing stop us. That is our message of the year that we're going to focus on releasing. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't let nothing stop you because you can't afford to do that. We have a long life ahead of us. So it's about to be April in 2025. That's okay. I mean, we can look at the time and dates and stuff because we need to be on track with things. But don't let that throw you off of your main goal. Continue to take care of yourself. And you can always set life back. Like working out and eating better. You can set youth back. You don't have to look like what you're going through. You don't have to feel like what you're going through. Do not pressure yourself. Don't feel like you're losing out or you're missing out or you're not where you're supposed to be because it's 2025 and you don't have everything that you desire. Perfect things take time. It does. Let the Lord take the time that he needs. You take the time that you need to become the person that you need to become. 2026 is around the corner, but we're not about to keep on rushing the time. We're going to let time do what it wants to do. Because we have a long life ahead of us. So the Lord is going to give us that time. Expand your life by learning. Continue to learn and grow. Don't feel like a failure in 2025. I kind of have my episodes where I did, but the devil, he is a liar. And he won't even tell the truth if the Lord gave him the opportunity to today. So, Alexus, love beauties and flawless man, I love you. Yes, it's 2025, but we still have thousands of life ahead of us. Keep going, boo. Mwah.